100 cc's of power.
Which is fine.
Now, yeah.
150 is small.
Okay, so I got here about 24 hours ago and my whole plan this weekend was to hang out with a local guy, and we were gonna go and visit his shop, and I've rented this bike to do that, and I think it's still happening, but we're having limited contact at the moment, and this is the perils of meeting all your friends on Instagram and Facebook. So I'm not sure what's going to happen yet. His shop's about 2 hours away. It's already almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon and it gets dark at about 6 p.m. and I don't mind riding at night, but it is a long way and the roads are hectic and things like that. So we'll see what happens. This is the bike that I've rented. It's a Honda Blade 110cc. It's also known as the Honda Wave, or the Honda Dream 110 or EX5 Dream 110 in Malaysia has the same motor as this, and also the MBC 110 Postie bike has the same engine as this. Yeah, I'm not really sure what's happening, but we're not operating on time limits here and things like that, so we'll just see what happens. It's the world of small bikes. If you want to meet people from around the world, you've got to be willing to make it happen. So I've been to Ho Chi Minh City about 3 different times before, and on this trip we are really just trying to do the complete opposite of what I've always done, which is super touristy stuff. So I'm staying out of the backpacker district a little bit, and this is what it's like. This is your average quiet street in Vietnam. It's the middle of the day, so things get a little bit quieter out and about. It's so gosh damn hot here. Okay, Honda Dex. So this is really cool. It's originally an SS50 motor, and he's got a bigger carburetor. There's a fuel pump here, and you might be wondering why. And that's because he has 100 cc's of power flowing through this machine. Today we will go and see a motorcycle market. What is the name?
Tân Hành Market.
Tân
Hành
Market. District
5.
District 5.
This shop sell racing and tuning bike.
Wow, okay. So much shit. Wow. Pod filters. These air filters, panel filters. Racing boy. Chain guards. And all those shop setups are incredible. These rims are about 20 bucks a pop. Oh my gosh. For a set, by the way. So this shocks and those are mine. Woohoo! See? They want you to go in. What? Exhaust shop, wow. So they have the flange and gasket. Yeah. Wow. That shape is very cool. I like it. Oh my gosh. Akrapovic. Leo Vince. Oh my gosh. This is mind-blowing. So this is a little motorcycle shop in this is District 5, right? District 5?
District 5
now.
Yeah.
District 5. And in here these guys sell motorcycle exhausts for the whole of the market. And you've got some really cool stuff like Takigawa, Over, Ko Mahachai. He's from Thailand. I've been to his factory before. And 2-stroke chambers and 2-stroke exhaust. This is just mind-blowing. I'm a bit at a loss for words. So this is a classic Honda shop that I've found here in Vietnam. This is just selling parts and accessories. So we've got like gas tanks here. We've got genuine Honda side casings here. You've got the clutch covers, headlight surrounds, mirrors, speedos, more speedos, more speedos, swing arms, wow, engines, everything. Hello! Hello! Yeah?
My home nearby.
Wow!
Yeah.
Your home?
Yeah.
I want to see!
Yeah.
Yeah!
My home sell coffee.
Okay. Yeah, let's go! And work.
Yeah. I'm work soon. All day.
What time you start?
Yeah.
Start 9 a.m. 10 a.m.
7 a.m.
Oh my god.
And I sleep when 2 a.m.
Oh. his commute every day. One time here, one time back, about an hour each way. It's just mind-blowing. This is what he does to make a living. And he's good at it. And this is just where he's got space to do it. He's moving to a shop in the city next to his actual house soon, so that'll be good. That's very cool. Disc brake. Nice. So this is where his shop is. This is where he does everything, all of his business. In the middle of nowhere. He's just said that he hates the karaoke that the neighbours do. Which I don't blame him, to be honest. It's quite loud. But yeah, how wicked. Very cool. Parts. Nuts and bolts. Spark plugs. CL, yeah.
CL50.
Yeah. There's that steering dampener there, and then there's this one up here, which is quite cool. So he's got a twin steering dampener set up on this machine, which is very, very cool. Metal.
Aluminum.
Yeah.
Original.
Really?
Original.
That's very nice. YSS shocks. Yoshi spec pipe. Rear disc. Very cool. Rear sets. That's the shifter here. It's very, very, very cool. It's 49cc though. No, it's not. It's quite cool. So he's got the Dio front end on here. He's put the disc brake. You've got your tubeless tyres and the Dio front end here. But it's a Honda Humming. These things is tiny and they didn't actually exist in New Zealand. We got the NC50s, but we didn't get the Honda Humming. So it's very cool. When full, open, all the way. Wow.
You want to try?
Yeah, I do.
You can hold one way.
Yeah.
No way.
No, okay. It's amazing. It's really good. Listen to this. Wow. Holy crap. This is from Dex, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. But 150.
150.
Yeah. You use ST70 engine.
Yeah.
Make it 150.
Yeah.
In my country, no one will do this.
Oh, 150 is small. I can make it bigger.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Same cover from 150 China.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It
But
is
you
a China pack.
put on Honda
Yeah.
engine.
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Just a cover.
Yeah, just the cover.
Crankshaft and God,
Yeah.
I make it.
Okay. Oh my god. Okay. Wow. Incredible. I want to take it to New Zealand.